Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. And I know it's a rare occasion, but I am coming to you guys face to face just to let you know how much I appreciate you. In the year of 2021 that we're wrapping up and heading into 2022, I realized how important community is, how important the creative community has been to me throughout the past couple of years. And so I wanted to pop on, show you guys my actual facial expression as I say it, because you normally see the hands, the non-manicured hands, but I am popping on with a little bit of lip gloss just to say thank you. I appreciate you guys, your likes, your comments, your feedback, the shares, the new subscribers, and the returning subscribers. Listen, without the returning subscribers from 2018, 19, 20, I wouldn't have been in 2021. But it's been the returning subscribers who have motivated me to keep going. I have grown tremendously in this past year. And, you know, as we had to all shelter in place from time to time, we surfed YouTube and the internet to find things that would grab our interest and to add on to some of the skill sets that we currently have. And so I'm blessed to have had that time with family and with you guys as I journeyed through and added to. That's a motto right there. Put that on a mug. Okay, nevertheless, I have some wonderful and exciting things coming up in the year of 2022 for the channel. I am hoping that everyone who is currently subscribed will continue to journey with me and will participate. And this can be a community thing. You know, we can hang out and craft together. Maybe I'll pop on and do some lives. Very rarely are you guys going to see all of this face, because because I have to comb my hair. I don't have time to comb my hair. Listen, I'm a work from home mom. I am a school from home mom. You guys know it. And I don't have to do my hair very often. So if instead of taking the 20 minutes to comb and make it all nice, that's a 20-minute video I could put up for you guys. Put in the comments. Do you want to see the pretty hair, or do you want to see a 20-minute video? That's on you guys. Totally up to you. Let me know. But anyways, listen, I'm going to wrap this up by saying I appreciate each and every one of you. I love the creative community that I'm a part of. And it is such a giving and generous place. I feel at home and I feel like I'm with family. So I hope that in 2022, you will continue to journey with me, and that we can continue to learn, grow, blossom, heal, and just become our best selves together. All right? And until we're back here together on YouTube, you guys know. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.